Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we're diving deeper into off-ground gardening, but this time with special focus on a creative and versatile option, gardening with crates. So let's get started. Crates are a fantastic option for off-ground gardening. They're lightweight and can be raised to a comfortable working height. Perfect if you want to avoid bending over or kneeling for long periods. Crates can also help you reduce the strain on your knees and back. They're easy to place on tables or stands. They're portable for adjusting to sunlight or weather. Wooden crates add charm, while plastic ones are more durable. Make sure your crate has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Line the crate with landscape fabric or burlap to keep the soil in while allowing water to drain. If using a wooden crate, seal it with a food-safe treatment to prevent rotting. Place your crate on a raised surface like a table or stand for an ergonomic gardening experience. And fill your crate with a high-quality potting mix. Since crates dry out faster than in-ground gardens, use soil that retains moisture but drains well. Plant ideas for crate gardening: herbs like basil, thyme, and parsley, leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and lettuce, or compact vegetables like radishes or bush beans will all do well in crates. One of the best features of crate gardening is its flexibility. Place them on a table, a shelf, or even stack them for a tethered garden. This not only saves space, but also keeps everything at an accessible height. Remember to water your crate regularly, especially in warm weather, and consider adding mulch to keep the soil moist for longer. Crate gardening isn't just about saving space. It's about creating a garden that works for you. If you have knee or back pain, you'll love how easy it is to work at a comfortable height without bending or kneeling. And there you have it, off-ground gardening with crates. It's an accessible and sustainable way to grow your plants. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this method makes gardening enjoyable and pain-free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Garden Profiler for more gardening tips. See you next time.